Hey y'all, it's Tony. I have these pigless pork rinds that are from the brand Pig Out, and they are from the company Outstanding Foods. So I saw these on my Instagram ad a few weeks back. Then I was talking to my mom about them, and she saw them, and then finally I decided to order them. Because I like the original pork rinds, which I know they're really bad for you, but they also taste pretty good. I eat them from time to time, very few and far in between. These are vegan, and they are supposed to be better for you because they are plant-based. Thought I would give them a try. Full disclosure, I did kind of stress eat the other day, and I opened these up, but I did not try the other 3 flavors. There are 4 flavors. The first one is the original flavor. The second flavor is Texas barbecue. Third flavor is hella hot. And the last flavor is nacho cheese. And usually I'm not a fan of nacho cheese anything. Well, one, I'm lactose intolerant, so then that's the main issue. But second, I really don't like the taste of nacho cheese. It's not it for me, so. But I haven't tried them yet, so I'm going to give you my honest taste test on these last 3 flavors because, like I said, I already tried the original flavor. We're going to start with Texas barbecue. I also have my water bottle here, which I love. It's so pretty. And I monogrammed it, which you can barely see because I'm filming in front of a window. Okay, ready. So let's start with Texas barbecue. How do I open this? Oh, they're just slid at the top. Gotcha. Alrighty. So let's see. Okay, so it's actually not too bad. The flavor is not as prominent as I would want it to be. I wouldn't mind eating these. Crunch is good. So Texas barbecue flavor is not too bad. I would have liked a little more barbecue flavor, personally, because I know Texas barbecue. And they also have 25 grams of protein, which is, actually all the bags say that. So there are 25 grams of protein. So you're getting a little bit of your protein in there with your pigless pork rinds. They are full of flavor and free of guilt. Okay, now, the next one was hella hot. I guess I could have just, yeah, anyway. Figuring out how to open these bags along the way. I feel the heat. Yeah, it's not a lot of flavor. It's just kind of like straight heat. Like my mouth is warming up right now. I can taste a hint of vinegar. They have spice to them, but they're not super spicy unless you're just not used to spice at all. But I come from a family where my mom puts pepper in almost everything, so I'm slightly immune to to levels of spice. It just depends. But anyway, so our last ones are the nacho cheese. It's so funny, I struggled to open those first 2 bags, and then the last 2 I'm like, oh. Anyway, you live and you learn, right? I would say that I actually like the nacho cheese better. think, than all of them. Which is saying a lot because nacho cheese is usually like not my favorite flavor in anything. But this nacho cheese flavor is really good. You do get that nacho cheese flavor, but also it's vegan. So it's not really dairy based, so I have nothing to worry about. No lactate needed for this. Well, you know what? I'm gonna try one on camera. There's like a corner left of it, actually. It's the original flavor. So there's really... I don't want to say there's no flavor, but there's no additional flavor. I think my favorite flavors in order would be the nacho cheese. I really like the original because they're just kind of plain. So, the original. Texas barbecue. And lastly, the hella hot. The pork rind, or the pigless pork rind. The texture is, I'm trying to think what I can liken the texture to for you. The texture, it's kind of reminds me of like the texture of a crouton. That's the closest thing I can think of. They're not as light as a normal pork rind. If you've eaten pork rinds before, then you know that it doesn't take a lot to really crunch into them. They just kind of melt in your mouth after a while. Or not even after a while, but pretty initially, like you bite it and it's just like melts in your mouth. These don't really just melt in your mouth. Like you have to crunch them. So the crunch is pretty good. Satisfying. On the back here it says that there are 130 calories per serving. Oh, there are 3.5 serving sizes. Or servings per container. So serving size, oh, is 1 ounce. Okay. So you're supposed to have 1 ounce of these. Just based on the nutrition facts, I see that there's there's a lot of sodium in these. So if that's something that you need to take into, that's something that you probably would want to take into account. I think Texas barbecue has the least amount of sodium. If you're vegan and you used to love pork rinds, then I would say give them a try. But if you like regular pork rinds, then you'll obviously know the difference in flavor. These aren't really easy to get. I actually ordered these offline, so it's not like you can just go to the grocery store and get them. And I don't remember how long shipping took. I think, was it a week? It may have been a week or 2. I forget, because like during this pandemic I've ordered things and then I completely forgot about them, and then they show up and then I think, oh wait, I did order that. Like I said, the pigless pork rinds, I like them. My favorite flavor is the nacho cheese, and I also like the original. I would definitely say, if you're interested, that you should try them out. I'll link the site down below in the description box if you want to try it out. Let me know if you do buy these and what you thought about them, or if you have already tried them, what did you think about them? Have you had real pork rinds before and then tried the pigless pork rinds? How do they match up for you? And just what do you think? So thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching. You're so loved, and be blessed. See you.